Hi friends. Welcome to Darky Salesforce Tutorial Series. This is fourth video of Darky Salesforce series. In previous videos, we learned basic about Salesforce like, what is Salesforce? What is CRM? What is cloud computing, etc. Now in this video we will create our first app on Salesforce. In this tutorial, I assume that you have zero knowledge about Salesforce. So I am gonna tell you everything from scratch step by step. Suppose we have a project and we don't have any knowledge about Salesforce, that how to create application. And the owner of the project, or we can say the customer for which we are going to create the Salesforce application, already purchased the Salesforce environment. Means we don't have to think about the environment, just have to think to develop application. Customer says that I have a tech support company and for which I require a CRM application. But the application should be on Salesforce. And for which I have purchased Salesforce paid account. We said, okay sir, we will develop your CRM application and charges will be blah blah blah. Now, we have to think, what will be the steps to create application on Salesforce? Before started creating application, let me show you some steps. See this process of creating any application. By the way, I created this diagram very simple to understand, but if you are not able to understand, don't worry, I will explain you. Forgot everything on this diagram, just see only first step, because we are going to see the step first. Then we will follow other steps. If we clear first step, then we will move on second step. See the step 1. Create application. This means we have to create an application on Salesforce. From here, our problem begins. I tell you one thing, if you are not able to understand these steps, don't worry, just watch video again and you will understand very clearly. Now go ahead. Let me explain you. What is application creation? Application creation is first step of any Salesforce project development, or we can say application creation is the entry point for any Salesforce project. Application is a combination of pages, button, display page, data, reports, etc. With this, let's understand what are the steps to create an application. To create an Salesforce application, go to Setup. Then go to Build. Then go to Create. Then go to Apps. Then go to New. These are the basic steps we have to follow to create our Salesforce application. So we have to log in on Salesforce to follow these steps. So let's log in on Salesforce. By the way, I already told about Salesforce account creation and login steps in my previous videos. If you haven't watched the video, please watch. So once you log in on Salesforce account, as I told earlier, you will get this screen. In this Salesforce environment, or we can say Salesforce organization, there are two important things. First is this, setup. This is very important part for any person like you and me, who develop these applications. Second is this, the tab bar. This is very important for our customers or clients. Because our customers can access all the developed things on Salesforce from here. We will see step by step all these things. So as we see steps, we have to click on Setup. Once you click on Setup, you will get this screen. There are many things on this page, we will see all these things step by step in upcoming videos. Before going further, let me explain a very important part of Salesforce, segments. So what is segments? There are basically 4 segments. First is, administer. Second is, build. Third, deploy. And fourth, monitor. To clarify, see this screen. In these 4 segments there are many sub-segments, or we can say these segments have multiple parts. All these, we will learn step by step. As you can see, administer, build, and monitor segment have multiple options, but deploy has only two. The reason is we do not have paid environment of Salesforce. Anyone who has paid environment will see more options in deploy segment. Till now we understand the steps for application creation. In next video we will perform all these steps on Salesforce to create our application. So friends, I hope you are enjoying Darky Salesforce tutorial series. Keep watching. Also I request you to please like, share, comment and subscribe Darky Salesforce tutorial channel. It will help to other persons who are looking for learning Salesforce free. Thanks. Meet you in next video.